Tired of journaling using a book? This is the old style. I have a new style for you guys. You can use Notion to journal your trades digitally and seamlessly anywhere. You can use it on your mobile phone and on your laptop, whichever one that you want to use. Whenever you upload something, it's going to synchronize over the both devices. Let's get into this video and show you guys how it is. Alright guys, so this is the screen and I'm going to show you guys how to register for Notion and everything. So the first thing you're going to do is to go to Google and type in Notion. Alright, so when you type in Notion and this is the page, alright, so you click on the first link and when it brings you here, you wait for it to load. And when it loads, you can see you can use any form of, sign up that you can use to sign up, alright? So you come here and you register. You can use your Google, you can use your Apple account, Microsoft, you can use a passkey, or you can use a single sign-on, alright? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my own detail. This is my email, alright? So I'm going to use that and that's my password, okay? And we are in. Alright, so allow it to load and this here is my dashboard. Alright, so this is my dashboard and this is how Notion looks like, okay? So Notion is a digital journaling app, alright, which you can use to write your day, to journal about a lot of things, to do a to-do list, and a lot of other seamless things that you can do, and it's good for organizing work, alright? So right here you can see that I have a lot of things that I do on Forex and freelancing stuff. I have the workshop, I have the media starter kit, the workout tracker, and the get things done, and also the student dashboard for students that want to, for students that want to, in the university, that want to keep track of exams, classes, etc. Right? So the one we are going to do for is, I'm going to show you guys a journal. Alright, so this is the main video, and this is why we are here. So this is my journaling dashboard. This is where I journal everything about my trade, my trading system, my database, the habit builder, the trading goals, personal journal, and also student journal. Alright, and you can see this is where I study the core content, okay? I'm an ICT student, as you all know, and this is Mod 1, Mod 2, Mod 3, which means showcases that I've finished everything. And so what you're going to do here is I'm going to take you guys how to journal your first trade using Notion, right? So the first thing first that you do is I'm going to share this particular journal for you guys. This particular one, I'm going to share it with you. So the first thing I do is let's say you take a trade on Euro USD and you want to journal it, all right? So when I share this template with you, all you are going to do is it's going to come exactly as it is now, all right? It's going to come exactly as it is, and you can customize this whenever you like, as long as you duplicate it, okay? So when you click the link in the description, it's going to show you to duplicate something on the top side here. You will say duplicate. That after you register for the Notion, it will tell you to duplicate. When you click on duplicate, you select your account and you allow it to duplicate. It's going to take less than 2 minutes to duplicate, all right? So this is the Notion, okay, and this is where you do everything, all right? So as you can see, I have columns here, and the first column is name, which is the name of the pair. The second is dates. The third is day of week, and the outcome, the direction, the scenario, which in my module that I trade, I have different type of scenarios. The PD area that I use, the session that I took the trade in, the risk, the P&L, and if there is news or there is no news, and the time frame, entry time frame, okay? When you have the entry time frame, then the module, then the screenshot, okay? So this is exactly how it is and how it's gonna look. All right, so let's get straight to the video. So when you come here, you click on new page. When it opens up new page, you click here and it will bring you to this page here. Let me put it in the center, okay? And it will bring you to this page here. And this page is where you journal everything. It is the same thing in your phone. You can do it the same exact step on your phone. So let's say I took a trade on BTC USD. So I come here and I type the name BTC USD. Sorry about that. BTC USD. Then the date. Today is what? Today is Tuesday. Alright, so I click on Tuesday, December 23 Tuesday, and automatically the day of week will change it to Tuesday. Let's say I click on 22 Monday, you see it changes it to Monday, okay? So this is Tuesday, so I click on 23, it's Tuesday automatically. You can't change this, don't try and change this. This is the code, alright, there's a code, so don't try and change it. So the module, which module am I using? Which module did I use to take that trade? Okay, so for me, let's say it's a daily EITD and I choose daily EITD. The scenario, which scenario? It's a type 1, type 2, or type 2 tier, alright? So I will say type 1. And then the entry time frame, which entry time frame did I use? So if it's a daily EITD, I'm going to do a 1 hour entry. So it's a 1 hour entry, alright? Sometimes 5-minute entry also. If you want to add a time frame that is not here, you can just type 5 M and you click here to create. So you can see that I have 5-minute entry right now in it. So 5-minute entry. So the direction, is it long or short? Okay, I will say short. And the PD array, which PD array did I use? I'm going to say, okay, fair value, alright? And the session, which session? London session, New York, or Asia, alright? So I'm going to go London session. And is there a news on that day? If there's a news, you click on yes. If there's no news, you leave it unchecked, alright? So the risk to reward. So the risk to reward is anything above 2 hours is a win for me. And anything 1 hour is break even, alright? For example, if I put 1 hour, it's break even for me. So if I put 2 hours, you can see that the outcome automatically changes. So anything above 2, you understand, is a win. Anything, if I put 0, it's a loss. If I put -1 hour, it's a loss, okay? So let's say I took 2 hours, which is a win, and the P&L. And for the P&L, let's say I made $500. So this is how it is. And the screenshot, okay? So the screenshot is you click here and you choose a file. Alright, you choose a file that you are going to use. Alright, so I'm going to go with, let me use this BTC which are here. Alright, so it's going to upload the before. That's if you screenshot the before. Alright, so this is now the before of the trade. This is the before. Alright, and you click on and you add the after. Alright, so that's after you take the trade, okay? So let me use a random chart again, and so you now have the before and after. Alright, so this is the after. This is the after, for example, and you can see how cool it is. Alright, and this is how cool it is to journal. And right here you can add a comment that I did good, blah blah blah. You understand? You can add everything here. So this is a very easy way to journal your trade. It's very easy, like very easy. So when you journal it and you exit, it's going to be something like this. It's going to be something like this. And you can use AI to summarize it for you, okay? You can use AI to summarize it for you. And yep, and that's it. So you see it to calculate the sum of everything, your profit and loss, and it will show you your net profit, okay? For example, let's do another one. Let's say I come here and I'll add, it's a Euro USD trade, Euro USD, and I took it today also, and which is Tuesday, alright? Then the module, it's a 4-hour EITD scenario, it's a type 2, and the entry time frame is 15 minutes. The direction, long, the PD array, fair value gap, let me use breaker block. The session, I will say Asia, and the risk to reward is 3, alright? So if the risk to reward is 3, the P&L, let me say 600. Sorry, let me say -1 hour. Let me see there, -1 hour, okay, -1 hour. Alright, so if it's 2% that you risk, you put -2 hour, okay, so -1 hour, and the P&L, let's say I lost 600. Alright, so this is it. Alright, so you can come here in the screenshots and you smash in any chart here. You smash in any chart. You smash in any chart here and you close it. So you now have this here. Okay, you now have this. Alright, so if I come here to the home page now, you're going to see that there will be place a chart that I will add to it for you guys so that it will display your chart for you. But this is exactly how it is, and you can do this on any mobile of any type that you want. All right. So if you come here now, you can check exactly how your trade is. Boom. You can use this one also. You check exactly how your trade is. All right. So this is the digital way of recording your trades, and you can use this on mobile phone exactly as it is. You can use it on mobile phone. It's very easy. All right, very easy to use. So that's that for today's video, and I'm going to keep the video short as I want to. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope it's very helpful for you guys. Thank you.